Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I need a taxi.
Of course. Where are you going?
To the train station, please.
No problem. What time?
Around 9 o'clock, please.
That's easy to arrange.
Thank you. I have luggage.
How many bags do you have?
2 large bags and 1 backpack.
That should be fine.
Great. I was worried.
Don't worry. The taxi is spacious.
That's good to hear.
What's your room number?
Room 208.
Thank you. I'll note that.
Should I wait downstairs?
Yes, please wait near reception.
How early should I come?
About 10 minutes early.
Okay, I'll be ready.
Do you need any help?
Maybe with my bags.
Certainly, we can assist you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is this business?
No, I'm visiting family.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I haven't seen them recently.
They'll be happy to see you.
I hope so.
Your taxi is now booked.
Perfect. That makes things easier.
Safe travels today.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. Don't miss breakfast.
Oh, I almost forgot.
Good morning. Ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Great. Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you. The room was comfortable.
That's good. What would you like?
I'm not sure. What's available?
We have eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds nice. I'll have eggs.
Would you like tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. No sugar, thanks.
Sure. Anything else for breakfast?
Maybe some fruit and toast.
Good choice. Do you like jam?
Yes, I do. Strawberry jam, please.
No problem. Is this your first visit?
Yes, it's my first time here.
How long are you staying?
3 nights. I'm here for work.
Oh, interesting. What do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you travel often?
Not really. Only sometimes.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The eggs are coming.
Everything smells really good.
Our breakfast is quite popular.
I can understand why.
Do you have plans today?
Yes, a meeting this morning.
I hope it goes well.
Thanks. I feel a little nervous.
That's normal. You'll be fine.
I hope so.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you, I will.
Don't forget your meeting notes.
Oh, shoot. They're in my room.
Better get them soon.
Yes, after one more bite.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I need some help.
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Which park are you visiting?
Green Park, near the lake.
Oh, that's a nice place.
Nervous. How can I get there?
You can take a bus.
Which bus should I take?
Take bus number 12.
Does it stop nearby?
Yes, the stop is outside.
That's easy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have cash?
Hesitant. A little, not much.
That's fine. The fare is cheap.
How long is the ride?
About 15 minutes usually.
Do I need one ticket?
Yes, just one ticket.
Where do I get off?
Get off at Lake Road.
Is the park far?
No, walk for 2 minutes.
Great, I can do that.
Are you visiting friends there?
No, just enjoying the weather.
Good idea. It's lovely today.
Better than yesterday.
Much better than yesterday.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Enjoy the park.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Don't miss the bus.
Oh, here it comes.
Then you'd better run.
I'm going now. Bye.
Hello. Did you enjoy everything?
Yes, the coffee was great.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'd like to pay now.
Of course, the total is £6.
Okay, I'll use my card.
No problem. Please tap here.
It didn't work.
Let's try again.
Okay, one more time.
Still nothing, I'm afraid.
That's strange. It worked earlier.
Do you have another card?
Yes, I think so.
You can try that one.
Just a moment, please.
Take your time.
Here it is. I'll try again.
Okay, please tap the machine.
Done. Did it work?
Not yet. The machine stopped.
Oh no. What can I do?
Sometimes it needs restarting.
I hope that's the problem.
Let's wait a minute.
Sure. No rush.
All right, it's working again now.
Great. I'll try my card.
Go ahead.
It worked this time.
Excellent. Payment accepted.
That's a relief.
Technology can be difficult sometimes.
Especially when people are watching.
You're not the first today.
That makes me feel better.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm buying a gift.
That's nice. Who's it for?
It's for my sister.
Is it her birthday?
Yes, next Saturday.
Great. How old is she?
She will be 25.
Do you have any ideas?
Not really. I'm not sure.
What is she like?
She likes reading and music.
We have some nice books.
That's a good idea.
Does she enjoy cooking too?
Yes, she cooks often.
Then this cookbook is popular.
Can I have a look?
Of course. Here it is.
The pictures look very nice.
It has simple recipes.
I think she'd like that.
Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please. That would help.
No problem. Any message inside?
Yes. Happy birthday, Sarah.
That's lovely. I'll add it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else today?
Maybe a birthday card, too?
Good idea. They're over here.
I almost forgot.
Birthdays can be busy.
That's true. I'll take this one.
Excellent choice. She's a lucky sister.
I hope she likes it.
I'm sure she'll be happy.
Great. Now I just need cake.
Don't forget the candles. Good afternoon. How can I help?
Hi. I'd like to exchange money.
Certainly. Which currency do you have?
I have US dollars.
And which currency do you need?
British pounds, please.
No problem. How much?
About $200.
Okay. May I see them?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure. I'll wait.
Do you have identification?
Yes. Here's my passport.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Are you visiting London?
Yes, for a few days.
Have you enjoyed your trip?
Very much. The city is beautiful.
That's nice to hear.
The weather is good too.
That's quite lucky.
I know. Everyone says that.
Your exchange is ready now.
Great. How much is it?
Here are your pounds.
Thank you. Can I count it?
Of course. Please take your time.
Okay. Everything looks correct.
Excellent. Keep the receipt, please.
Why do I need it?
You may need it later.
That's good to know.
Is there anything else?
Oh, I almost forgot.
Forgot what?
My passport on the counter.
Good thing you noticed.
Ha, that was close.
Good morning. Is this seat free?
Yes, Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Are you traveling far today?
Not very far, just to Coventry.
Oh, that's a nice city.
Have you been there before?
Yes, a few times.
I'm visiting for the first time.
What are your plans there?
Just sightseeing and shopping.
That sounds like fun.
I hope so. The weather helps.
Yes, it's lovely today.
Much better than yesterday.
I completely agree.
Do you travel often?
Mostly for work.
What kind of work?
I work in marketing.
That sounds interesting.
It keeps me busy.
Busy can be good.
Sometimes, not always.
That's true.
Have you traveled by train before?
Yes, but not very often.
Trains are usually comfortable.
I like watching the countryside.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10:20.
Great, we're making good time.
We should arrive soon.
Oh, that's my station.
Then you'd better get ready.
Thanks for the conversation.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good morning. What's the problem?
My toaster isn't working today.
Oh, no. What happened?
I tried making toast earlier.
Did it turn on?
No, nothing happened at all.
Did you check the plug?
Yes, it's plugged in properly.
That's strange. Any unusual sounds?
No sounds and no lights.
When did you buy it?
About 6 months ago.
It should still work.
That's what I thought too.
Did you clean it recently?
Not really. Maybe last month?
Sometimes crumbs cause problems.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. Have you emptied it?
No, I've never done that.
There is a crumb tray.
Oh, I see it now.
Try removing and cleaning it.
Okay, give me a moment.
Sure. Take your time.
Wow, that's a lot.
Quite a few crumbs there.
I'll clean them right now.
Good idea. Then test it.
Okay, it's plugged in again.
And?
Hey, the light is on.
Excellent. Problem solved.
That's a relief, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
I will. Finally, some toast.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You seem a little worried.
Yes, I need to ask something.
Of course. What is it?
I'd like a day off.
Okay. Which day do you need?
Next Friday, if possible.
Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine.
Then what's the reason?
My sister is moving house.
I see. She needs help?
Yes, she asked me yesterday.
That's understandable.
I don't usually ask.
You're right. You rarely do.
So, is it okay?
Let me check the schedule.
Sure, take your time.
Friday looks fairly quiet.
That's good news.
I think we can manage.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just one thing.
Yes, what is it?
Please finish your report first.
No problem. I'll do that.
Excellent. Then it's approved.
That's a relief.
Moving house is hard work.
I know. There are many boxes.
Try not to lift everything.
I'll try, but no promises.
Fair enough.
Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your day off.
I will.
You look nervous today.
Yeah, I avoid speaking.
Is English difficult?
Not reading, only speaking.
What feels difficult?
I think too much.
Before every sentence?
Yes, every single sentence.
Afraid of mistakes?
Very afraid. People listen,
People make mistakes too.
but mine feel bigger.
That feeling is common.
I stop talking quickly.
What happens then?
My mind goes blank.
English runs away?
Exactly. It disappears.
Do you practice aloud?
Alone, never outside.
Why not outside?
Someone may laugh.
Has that happened?
No, only in thoughts.
Thoughts are dramatic sometimes.
Mine deserve awards,
Try short answers first.
not full conversations.
Just simple speaking moments.
Like ordering coffee?
Yes, exactly that.
What if I freeze?
Pause and continue.
Even with wrong grammar?
Yes, keep moving.
That sounds possible.
Want small practice now?
Okay, I can try.
Tell me your hobby.
I like movies and walking.
That sounded natural.
Wait, I actually spoke.
Looks like English returned.
Maybe. Don't scare it away.